This is question 22 in exercise 4.2 in Project Math 2. We have to solve the pair of simultaneous equations, and our first equation, our equation 1, is 3x over 5 minus y over 4 is equal to 8, and our equation 2 is going to be 2x over 3 plus 3y over 4 is equal to 13. Now our easiest bet in this case to start with will be to rewrite these equations without fractions, because it will be far easier to solve them without them. So to clear away the fractions, from equation 1 we're going to multiply it by the lowest common multiple of 5 and 4, which is 20. So we're multiplying equation 1 by 20. And then for equation 2, we're going to multiply equation 2 by the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4, which is 12. So multiply equation 2 by 12. So equation 1 multiplied by 20 is going to be 20 times 3x all over 5 minus 20 times y all over 4 is equal to 20 times 8, just like that. And equation 2, when you multiply it by 12, is going to be 12 by 2x over 3 plus 12 by 3y over 4 is equal to 12 times 13, like that. Now if we tidy these up a bit, from equation 1 we can see that 20 divided by 5 leaves 4, and 20 divided by 4 leaves 5. So we're going to have 4 times 3x, which is 12x, minus 5 times y, which is just 5y, and that's equal to 20 times 8, which is 160. And our equation 2, we're going to have 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we're going to have 4 times 2x, which is 8x, and we're going to have 3 times 3y, which is 9y, and that's going to be equal to 12 times 13, which is 156. So now we have our simultaneous equations, but we can't quite solve them yet, because in order to solve them, we want the same number but different signs in front of either both of our x's or both of our y's. And we can't quite get there yet because we don't have matching up numbers just yet. So in order to get this done, we're going to have to multiply them by something else again. So I'm going to go ahead and make the y's match. It'll be the most convenient because we already have different signs. So we're going to multiply equation 1 by 9, because that's the number in front of y in equation 2. And we're going to multiply equation 2 by 5, because that's the number in front of y in equation 1. So equation 1 is going to end up with 108x minus 45y is equal to 9 times 160, which is 1440. And then in equation 2 we're going to multiply that by 5, so we're going to get 40x plus 45y is equal to 5 times 156, which is 780. Now we're just going to draw a line and we're going to sum this all down. So 108 plus 40 is 148. So it's 148x. 40 minus 45y plus 45y is 0, so that cancels out. And then it's going to be 1440 plus 780. And that's going to be equal to 2220. So 2220. Like that. So we have 148x equals 2220, which means x equals 2220 divided by 148, which means x is equal to 15, like that. And now in order to get our value for y, we're going to take our value for x and put it back into one of our modified versions of the equation, so either equation 1 or 2, and it doesn't matter which one, because we'll get the same value either way. So if we go back to equation 2, it's going to be 8 times 15 plus 9y is equal to 156. So 8 times 15 is 120. So we've got 120 plus 9y equals 156, which means that 9y is equal to 156 minus 120. So 9y is equal to 156 minus 120 is equal to 36, which means y is equal to 36 over 9, so y is equal to 4. And that is that.